So now I'm going to place my background objects, the objects that go in towards the back of the box. It's important to place those first. So I'm going to build up my background. I'm going to put some hot glue on my rock, put that in there. Now I'm going to make a little pile of rocks, just like they be in nature. So I'm going to hold that down for a minute so it sticks. Get that in there. And I'm going to add this leaf as a little tree. So I'm going to wrap the glue around that and stick that back here. You're going to have to hold that for a minute, and now it becomes like a giant tree. I'm also going to add one dinosaur to the back, so I'm going to glue its feet. And he's going to be back there. And on this side, I'm going to add a pine cone on the back here. Just press that down, make sure it's there. And I'm going to add another tree. So I'm going to glue the bottom of that really well because there's not much surface. Things that don't have a lot of surface, you've got to really cover them well. And you're going to have to hold that just for a moment. There. Now I have my background put in.